Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, CS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by R37, Kitrikop.
Thank you, Tibo. How are you, my man?
I'm happy.
You're happy? Seriously? Yeah, man, I would let me see what you say about tomorrow. What you say about how when I'm red card, yellow card. Oh, wow. Tibo, first of all, my man, when I about to come
Sharp.
junior cause.
Yes.
Or Tamafin wage.
Sharp.
I give you slim like Joe.
Sharp.
So go feel the seat.
Thank you.
Other thing.
Hey,
Important message.
what's your message?
Please, everyone. Atana kereke tse pedi ka mama bolo.
Yes.
Atana kereke ka mama bolo tse pedi.
Yes.
Kereke tse go ja mo Limpopo.
Yes.
Ba tlogole go rapisa diboswa monna. Ba
Yeah.
tlogole go rapisa diboswa.
Yeah.
Isiboswa ba siekela ba ka standard tse ntota.
Basa se rappel.
Ba ska se rapella ba rapisa Chiefs monna.
Yeah.
Re na le bothata monna.
Chiefs ke seboshwa.
Ai ba ke Chiefs ke siboswa man. O ska jaga man. Relax. Kere. Ba rapedi ka ofela. Ba support Chiefs ka ofela ka bophara. Ba tlogole go rapisa diboswa monna.
Yeah.
Ba di tlogela ba ska jera pedisha.
Okay.
Ba rapisa Chiefs monna.
Fair.
Re na le mathata monna.
Apaya.
Apaya monna. Always monna 70 minutes monna. Lose confidence mfethu.
Last.
Last mfethu.
Last
Game out today was not bad.
Yeah.
Just the decision making for coach mfethu.
Imushapi.
Emushapile monna.
Imushapi.
Una na wa mona ka ja mfundo le tshabala mona ka 2 minutes. Ba tlo etsa bafana ba
It's
mona.
late.
Se re no ba pedi o metse chances le 2 chances mfethu.
What's a month?
Wa sa montsi. Ngobo ke gore ba ke marago le ena mona. A sa montse monna.
Ngabuli yemelo ke marago.
Ai monna ena kwa sorry.
Singephile ngqo.
Oh.
O qeta re ngabo rimela ke
A se nna a utlwa ntle mona.
A bui ka nko singephile.
A utlwa spedi wena mona. A utlwa spedi wena. O bona go tsaya fela motlogelo. No, this is making for our coach mfethu.
Sha.
Team today, it was not bad, my man. Limited chances, but created everything was good.
Yeah.
But last 70 minutes, Matita ba porta man.
That's why.
Ba port. Mfethu, re tloga o teng kuwa re tla mo re tlo fa Matita spirit mfethu. But disappoint every time. Understand? Last thing mfethu. Bu. E mana batho ba re jesa Sundowns man.
Fair.
Fela mfethu. Aba re Sundowns yela. Aba makhelwane bona bayeke abantu bethu laba.
Ke nama ya lona.
Ke nama rona bale ba bua too much ba tlogele bale.
Daily prayer.
Makhelwa Daily Prayer Pirates.
Daily prayer.
No, task for Nabi. Mfethu. Nabi please, re yesa Sundowns mfethu.
Fair.
Fela.
On.
Batho ba mara ba start mfethu.
Fair.
Ha re jela bona batho ba.
Then rimna.
Then re mnati.
Look at this suggestion.
Wa understand?
Yeah.
Wana tlola tsetse le kwa makezi kwa. Tlo ka makezi wena. Sebetsa ha wena man. Mfethu a ke na mantso mangata
O
mfethu.
tsa makezi tlo fetsa o di machi. O tshilo jwa.
Nka ja 5 months ke tlogela Chiefs mo. Wa understand? So Steve mfethu anyway Majita ba tletse mfethu ra ba lebogisa but ba disappoint.
Ke a tswa.
Other thing ga botse ke ne manju mfethu for a ke happy mara the thing is bafana ba disappoint mfethu. Obani those players if you are strong like us supporter.
Yeah.
Ha mfethu. Nere ka Steve ke motho mo.
Chiefs ka tsoga.
Ai ka tsoga mfethu.
The best team.
I think we got to supporter le go strong than those team. You understand? The thing is Steve man bafana ba.
He play.
Di play mfethu.
Play.
Ah mfethu. Mara se di play. Tla so go botse kere ba fo masiona mfethu. Ha ba rapedise. Ba rapedise team wa mtaung mfethu. O ka re bopopia ba tsebe ka mo moria mfethu.
Abake.
Ka mo poeng aba kene ka mo poeng mfethu. Ba nke pasele kene ka mo poeng. Ha one fela.
Ba rappel.
Ba se fela kene ka mo poeng mfethu. Wa understand?
Yeah.
Masiona please. Tlogela go rapisa dibosho ba fethu. Rapisa team ba re ke Chiefs ba fethu. Especially not my Pirates. Masiona Asabadan Chiefs.
Yeah.
Not Masiona Asabadan Pirates.
Yeah.
Masiona Asabadan Chiefs.
Sharp.
Rabedi Sankesa Chiefs. re na le mathata a palla bobobi mfethu
a batla thapela
ba rapela until ba se le ke kwa moria mfethu
thank you Trico
thanks Tibo
thank you
thanks Tibo
ai